We'll guide you through how to share a Google Calendar with others. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Now we're handing over the guide to Pauser, who's continuing with it.
Now first, just go ahead and open any web browser to your liking, and once that it is opened, just go to the search bar and just go ahead and search for calendar.google.com, and after that just go ahead and press enter, and now you will land in this interface. Once that it is opened, look over to the left hand side, and under my calendars, here you will see all of the calendars that are available in your account. So basically your Google account name and the birthday calendar are there by default, and if there are other calendar, that means you have created it. Keep in mind that you cannot share all of your calendar at once. Instead, you will need to choose the specific calendar that you want to share. So first, you will need to choose a specific calendar that you want to share. So let's say I want to share this particular calendar, which is GuideRealm shared calendar. Just go ahead and click on the three dots for it, and then this will open our settings for it. Now here you can change the color, but we are focusing on sharing. So from the list, just go ahead and choose settings and sharing, and after you have clicked it, you will land in this interface. Now here scroll down until you find the option for shared with, and after locating, just go ahead and click on add people and groups, and now here enter the email address of the person that you want to share the calendar with. You can add one person, multiple people, or even a Google group if needed. So let's say I want to share it with this particular person, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click on it, and now before sending the invitation, just choose the permission level that you want to give them. Just go ahead and click on the drop down for permission, and this will open up the permissions. So we are gonna go ahead and go with some important ones. So the first option is going to be see all free/busy hide details. This lets people know when you are busy, but they won't be able to see your event title, description, or other information. And you will see all event details. With this permission, they will be able to view everything on the calendar, but they won't be able to edit or delete any event. The third option is going to be make changes to events. This allows the other person to create new events, edit existing ones, and remove events from the calendar. This is the best choice if you are working together on a shared schedule. Now, the final option is going to be make changes and manage sharing. This gives the other person full control over the calendar, including the ability to invite other people and change sharing permissions. Only use this option if you completely trust the person that you are sharing with. And after selecting the permission level, you can just go ahead and click on send. Now the other person will receive an email invitation, and once they accept it, the shared calendar will automatically appear in their Google Calendar. If you ever want to change someone's permission later, simply return to settings and sharing, and from here you can just go ahead and click on the drop down and set it to anything that you like. If you no longer want to share the calendar with someone, you can just go ahead and click on the X icon next to their email address to remove their access. The changes are saved automatically, so you don't need to click a save button. You can also invite people to individual event without sharing your entire calendar. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go back. Just simply go to any event by just clicking on it and then choose the pencil icon. And now from here, just go ahead and go to add guest, and you can just select or add your people that you want to add, and after that they will receive an invitation by email. If you need someone else to manage a specific event, open that particular event and click on the more option icon at the top and choose change owner. So I'm just gonna go ahead and discard it, and now from here you can add your new owner. So let's say I want to add this person as the new owner. Here you can even write your message and then click on change owner. Now the new owner will receive an email asking them to accept ownership of the event, and once they accept, they will become the new owner of that event. And that's basically it. You now know how to share your Google Calendar. If you found this guide useful, make sure you like the video and subscribe to GuideRealm for more tutorials.